Hi everyone, really quick intro. Alana's back driving again, passenger in, and behind us we've got Senior Scott, aka Dad, aka John. He's coming along with us. We're off to Santa Pod Raceway. I think it's Santa Pod Raceway.
Santa Pod Raceway, yes. For the retro show.
Retro show. So this one will probably put some music. So roll the video.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
The idea is you cut a good line. Assuming both cars pull green. So you've got green, that's good. And they both have green lights. So Chris has got to be very patient. He's got to wait 4.04 seconds on the start line. Ashley's going to set off first with a little VW. Chris has got to be patient. His tree runs and off he goes in pursuit. Wanting to stay. Down he goes, little goes in, he goes there. Georgina sets off, as does Gary. they're getting back to the pits, and just fingers crossed I hope it's okay. Right, Bobby Bowler and Debbie Clark, your next pair. Lane's chock-a-block of street weekend cars. All eager to get getting the job done.
Your dad literally looks like he's in heaven.
show, I do need an audience. Not only do I need an audience, I need a good one. So if you see something you like in my show, that's your cue to clap, cheer, make as much noise as you can. Now the more noise you make, the more energy you give me, the more dangerous the show's going to be. Halfway round, this feels horrible, and if anyone's behind me, I'm really sorry about the view. Now the hardest bit, getting around the outside of the quad without tipping the quad up. Oh, nearly there. We're round. Now, just taking up surfing, I like to do a bit of surf practice on my quad bike in my show. Now, it's pretty tricky here because I can't see where the bumps are. Now, this next trick's for all the ladies out there, just proving that men can do two things at once. I hope. Oh. That was real. I think a bit of wee-wee just came out. Here I go. Whoa! Upper. Now don't worry, I forgot to clap the first time I saw someone doing this too. Yes, no drops. I'm going to put this lanyard on. This is for your benefit, not mine. Just in case I fall off the bike doesn't carry on going. Let's see how I get on this morning. Oh, this afternoon, isn't it? Whoa! That's pretty good. Do one across here. Oh, pretty bumpy start. Oh, it's hard. I'll see if I can go a bit quicker. Now, would you like to see some danger? Would you like to see some fire? Would you like to see me get hurt? All right. Are you ready? 99! 98! Alright, no one's joining in. I'll make it easier from 5, and please join in because I will pick on you if you're not joining in. Come on, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Do you like it? You don't look very impressed. Okay, I'll do it for real, but you will need to move back 200 or 300 meters. Boys and girls, remember this is very dangerous. Never try anything like this at home. Wait until you get to school. If I do manage to do it, please start your applause straight away, because it won't last long. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 flaming torches, 1 flaming idiot. Everybody, join in with a nice, slow hand clap, please. Come on, clap, 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 clap. Upper. Go a bit quicker. Get over these bumps. Go to right end, please. Go to right end. Go on, whoa!
Extremely well judged, Ron. cars drawing alongside.
Right guys, that's the end of this video. That was the Retro Show 2023 at Santa Pod. I don't know what's going to come of it, but hopefully you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Where's the Instagram logo going?
It's going to be right on the logo of your t-shirt, just there.
Ooh.
Different place.
Exactly. And this is going to be a short outro because Alana hates long bits.
Yeah, I do.
But yeah, check out the Instagram. Keep an eye on the YouTube channel. See what comes up whenever it comes up.
Yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Very happy chap.
Like your Freelander. Freelanders for life.